Hi everyone, this is Malvika from OpnBI. In today's video, I'll be giving the demo of how can we format the category axis in the column chart in the dashboard in OpnBI application. To know how to create a column chart and how to format the general options in a column chart, you can follow the link given below in the description box. I'm assuming by now you would have also learned how to create dataset and how to create the chart. And if you still have not, you can follow the link given below in the description box. So now let's start with today's demo. Now for formatting the category axis in a chart widget, we have already created the column chart here in the dashboard, and now to format it, we will click on the edit option, which is the third option on the top right corner of the chart widget. And you will see once I click on the edit option, one edit box opens up, and in the edit box, the second tab after chart tab is the formatting tab. And in formatting, I will now go to category axis, which is next to general. And once I click on category axis, I will go to the category type. Now category type, in the drop down you can see there is an option of category axis and there is also an option of date axis. Now date axis I will explain in detail in my next video. Then we have the cursor tooltip. Now if I enable the cursor tooltip, now before I enable the cursor tooltip, you can see while I'm hovering over the chart, you'll be able to see that there is a cursor moving here, but here we are talking about the cursor tooltip. Now the line which is appearing is the cursor on line X, which is this line, the value axis, and the line Y, which is the category axis. Now if I enable the cursor tooltip, you'll be able to see while I'm hovering over the chart, the name of the countries are appearing like this. So after cursor tooltip, let's go to the category labels. Now these are the category labels. The name of the countries, these are known as the category labels. Now if I wish to disable them, I can disable them by toggling the slider here. So you can see the labels have disabled. Now if I want to enable, I can enable them again. And you can see that the labels have appeared. Now we can set the alignment of these labels here. Now for example, you want to make it trim. So trim means that you won't be able to see the complete name of the labels. But while you are hovering on them, you can see the name. Otherwise, you can see here, New Zealand is not complete because I have selected trim here. Same way, instead of trim, if I select hide, so you will see that the trim is not there now, the trim is hidden now, and you can see the complete names appearing. And you can also select wrap, and wrap means that the New Zealand which was in the same line, this New Zealand will be divided into two lines, like new is in the upper portion and Zealand is in the bottom portion like this. So this was about the alignment. Now if in case you want to enable the truncate, so if I enable the truncate, and if I again, now truncate again will not be able to see the complete name, but if I am hovering over it, you will be able to see the whole name. So truncate also enables these labels, the short form of the labels to be here and not the complete name like this. And label placement, we can change from between ticks to another option in the drop down, which is on ticks. So you can see the label will be on the ticks here, since I have selected the option on ticks, or if you want, you can change it to between ticks also as per your own convenience. Then we have the edge label placement also. Now all these options, the label position top, label inverse, label inside, edge label placement, I'll be explaining in detail in my next video. Then we have the category font property. So here we can make changes to the font of the category label. So if in case, now you can see the color here is black, I can change the color from black to any other color I wish to. Like here I am changing the color from black to red like this, and you'll see that the color has changed to red. Same way we can increase or decrease the font size of the labels as per our own convenience and requirement. And font family also I can change from Arial, I can make it Tahoma as per my own convenience, and you'll see that the font family has also changed. And font weight, instead of normal, I'll make it bolder, and you'll see that it has become bolder now. And opacity also you can decrease or increase as per your own convenience. Then we have the category ticks. Now category ticks are these small lines you can see over here, which are pointing towards the countries. Now if you want to make changes to these lines, you can make it by expanding the category ticks. So if you want to disable the ticks, you can disable them as well. See, now the ticks are not there. If you want to enable them, you can enable them also. Then width also you can increase of the ticks or decrease as per your own choice. So you can see the width has increased. The length also you can increase or decrease as per your own requirement. And the color of the ticks you can change here. So it's black now. You can change it to any other color as per your own requirement. So I'm making it red here. So while I'm making the color of the text red, you can see the color has changed to red. And also the opacity of the color also you can increase or decrease as per your own convenience. Then we have the category alternate fills. The category alternate fills, if I enable the category alternate fills, you can see the fills have appeared like this. And now we can make changes to these fills. We can increase or decrease the opacity of the fills as per our own convenience, and we can also make changes to the color of the fills. Like if I want to make it red, I'll make it red like this, and you can see that the color of the fills has become red. And next we have the category line. Now the category line is this line. So the category line, if I want to disable the line, you will see that the line is not there anymore, and if I want to enable it again, you will see that the line will appear. And now if we want to make changes to the line, we can increase the border width or decrease the border width of the line as per our own choice, and we can also increase or decrease the border opacity again as per our own convenience. And we can change the color of the line. Say I'll make it from black, I will make it red, and you'll see that the color of the category line has changed from black to red. Next we have is, after category line, is category grid. So if I want to enable the grid, you'll see the grid. Can you see this grid? These lines appearing. So this is my grid. And if I want to disable it, I can disable it also. So let me enable it and see what all changes we can make in the category grid. So if I want to change the color, I can change the color from black to red like this. And you'll see that the grid has changed its color to red. And I can also increase or decrease the border opacity of the grid. And I can also increase or decrease the border width as per my own convenience and requirement. And the last one we have after category grid is the category title. Now if I want to enable the title, you'll see the title has appeared here, country. So if you want to make changes to the title, like instead of country, we can make it sales by country. You can see the sales by country title has appeared here on the category axis. We can change the font family of the title. We can make it Tahoma instead of Arial, or any other option you want to select as per your own convenience. Font size I can increase or decrease as per my own convenience. And font weight also I can make it bolder, lighter or normal as per my own choice. And the color of the title also I can change, like I'll make it from black to red, and you'll see that the color has also changed. Now, I would like to mention a very important point here, that formatting is more or less same for the other chart patterns also. That means the bar chart, the line chart, area chart, pie and donut chart will have same formatting pattern with more or less changes in all of them. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment box below this video. If you have any request to watch any other video of any other feature, you can mention your request below in the comment box. And if you also want to watch a video of any other chart pattern, you can also send us a request below in the comment box, or you can send us a request to support@openbi.com. Thank you.